Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8a and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to localize biometrics and password. Let's tap. Then let's tap on fingerprint ID at the top. Of course, enter your screen lock to confirm. And here you can either choose the function of the fingerprint for what you want to use the fingerprint for, or just tap on new fingerprint. It's up to you. I will mark unlock device, and now we can add it. So all we have to do is to place our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button of our device on the right side. So let me do it quickly. Okay, and now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Let me actually, it will be much easier for me now. Okay, we just successfully added the fingerprint, so just tap on OK. I don't want to set up face recognition. So here we've got the fingerprint options. Again, we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. Unlock when the screen is off, rest finger or press button. It's up to you, but rest finger is much easier because all you have to do is to touch the sensor, and in press button you have to touch it and press it. So I believe that the first one is easier. Here we've got the fingerprint list. You can add new one and identified fingerprint. So if you're not sure which fingerprint is which, you can check it with this option. All right, let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. Okay, finally. So the device is unblocked, finally, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.